can't hold this anymore. Molly, Papa Molly, I'm sweating.
Bro, wrong hole. God damn.
Don't ever do that again.
Alright, take a bite, Edwin.
I ain't taking them.
That's amazing.
Hold up.
I think I'm in heaven. You know what? Never mind. I'm back on Earth.
Whoa, this girl got no meat.
Just spread. Just. Wait. Oh my gosh.
I'm smiling. And then we'll do the like
That was very anticlimactic.
and then we'll get the platter. To friendship, the Jade.
Fucking this.
That was love. He fucked up. That was love. Yo, he didn't deserve you. No way, this fish really came out with the with
I'm documenting.
Whoa, Jess, you made it. Welcome to the tour. Come on in. All right, so this is the. Actually, I'll tell you.
Wow, is this a baby already?
You really okay, Jess? Culture queen.
Wow. Okay, Mozart.
Come
Okay,
on.
Mozart. It's a vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm dying today, so this is a video reminder that you should never drink because alcohol is bad for you. It's literally a poison. I feel like shit. I've never felt more like shit in my entire life, and I want to die. And I hope this food stays down when I eat it because yikes.
times and the audio in the background is wild. Get a money tree.
Amazing. They're taking over the world.
AI, robot.